Now that you see the classification is so irrational. When you say that I add these additional vacancies, then you are inviting the fresh candidates who would be eligible today, and they will be putting in competition with the 2016 candidates.
Yes.
Is that fair? Apart from the question of distribution of marks, would that be fair? And when the Supreme Court and High Court says those vacancies only, because this is a fresh test of the persons who had participated. Today, they are thrown out. One group is completely banned, but another group is permitted that you participate and prove your worth. And if you now ask them to compete with the fresh students of 2025, that itself is illegal. That's why the rule says every year you have to assess the vacancies and publish the advertisement so that the fresh recruits can come and compete with the same vacancies. And clubbing of these two vacancies of 2016 and 2025 would be irrational and violate Article 14. You hold the examination separately for 2025. No problem. The fresh candidates will come and contest. Otherwise, you'll be putting us in difficulty, who are really the genuine candidates contesting 2016. Now, this notification, Milord, can even today be modified, corrected to respect the time schedule by the Supreme Court. 31st December, long way to go. Only little modification that the portal is such that who have already crossed 40 years, they are not permitted to file. Though the Supreme Court says age election should be given, the notification says the age relaxation as by the Supreme Court. If I am not allowed to enter, how would you assess whether I am age bar or not?